Okay guys, I'm going to have a little video here tonight. This one's going to be on my KENWOOD TS440. Now I haven't seen too many videos on this radio since I managed to repair the dreaded dot syndrome on her. But when I first got this radio, I mean many years ago, I modified her so it'll give me the 10 hertz segment on the screen, on the display here. And ever since that, like, it works fine and all this kind of stuff, but to me, I don't know. When I'm trying to tune up the band, it's just so slow. So I'm actually going to take the radio apart here tonight, and I'm going to reconnect diode 66. That one gives you the 10 hertz readout on the display. I'm going to resolder that diode and put the display back to as she originally was from factory. So anyways, if you're interested in seeing how this is done, if for that matter, I mean, if you want to add 10 hertz display on your display here, 10 hertz increment on your display, you basically just got to reverse what I'm doing and it'll give you that on the display. So this is a de-modification, modification, depending what way you want to look at the video. But anyways, we're going to pull her apart here and get this done. So again, if you want to modify the radio to give you 10 hertz increment, then just reverse everything that I'm doing here. Basically, on D66, you would cut D66 instead of soldering it. You'd cut it instead of soldering it. I'm soldering it. You guys would cut it. But anyways, let's get her done here. Okay guys, this is my TS440. Got the shield out, got my battery removed. This little battery holder mod that was done by my buddy Bill actually put this in, which is a cool mod. Thanks for that. So just for reference, boys, if you ever do this, your negative, or positive I should say, negative is over here where the green wire connects, and the positive is over where this yellow wire is going, right there. See the positive symbol? Right there. Your positive, your battery goes there, negative over there. Okay, so anyways, D66, if you see the little switch, there's a switch bank here, you have these diodes right there. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 17, 81, 66. And as you can see, possibly, maybe, if it stopped going blurry here, you know, 60, so you can see 66 has been cut on this one. So all you do is just literally just cut 66, cut the lead, and you'll have your 10 hertz increment on your display. In my case, I'm going to be soldering that connection back again because I don't want that 10 kilohertz increment, because it just takes too long to run the radio up through the band. It's actually annoying, I have to admit. The R5000, now that radio has a button for fast scanning through the band. Unfortunately, the TS440 don't have that feature. I don't know if it's any way that can be added. It would be cool. I don't know if anybody's ever come up with that modification, or even if it's possible. But yeah. Anyway, I'm going to solder my D66 back in the circuit here and reassemble my radio. And you will notice how I have my radio sitting. So you remove she kind of hinges like that. That's how you want to sit her on your bench. Anyway, less talk, more soldering, hey? So boys, after the modification, this is the R5000. This is the TS440. As you can see, she now only shows 6 digits, while the R5000 shows, you can do, oh, where is it? She can do fast. My lord. Step. So she gives you the extra. She gives you the extra digit. So I'll put this one on 14. And she gives me the extra digit. So you get 7 digits on the R5000, and you get 6 digits on the TS440. So by clipping D66, you can add the 7th digit, the 10 hertz increment, and by reattaching D66, putting it back in the circuit, you go back to 6 digit, you lose the 10 hertz increment. But I find that she can do the band a lot faster than she could without it. When I had modified her for the 10 hertz increment, I just found her that she just gets it's annoying when you're going through the band. You're just longer going through it. It's just annoying. Like, you know, it takes forever to go through the band. And you turn off the 10 hertz one, and it just goes through so much faster. See? 440 is the exact same way. Anyways, a little short video, but hopefully it is of use to some of you guys out there. And whatnot. And we'll see what we can get into for the next video. And boys, just before I go, well, never got me to see me on video. I'm always behind the camera doing videos for you guys. But just figured I'd do a little shout out here tonight to one of my subscribers. I think he feels a bit low at the moment, you know. They're depressed or whatever, so I figured I'd give him a little bit of a shout out. And that would be Adam's Ham Radio, N1SCA. Boys, if you would do me a great honor, could you guys go over on Adam's Ham Radio, N1SCA, and bring him some love. Go over and give him a few subscribe to his channel there. Thumbs up, comment on his videos and whatnot. I'm sure he'll definitely appreciate it. So again, that's Adam's Ham Radio, N1SCA. He's a subscriber of mine, and I've been following his videos now for the last little while. I don't know, about a year or so. And I would appreciate it if you guys would go over and share some love with him and subscribe to his channel. Give me a few thumbs up and comments and share his channel. Well, you knows what to do, boys. You knows what to do, and that's me full. Anyways, guys, take her easy, and we'll see you in the next video, whenever that'll be. But I'm sure I can dredge something up to do a video for you. Anyways, 7-3, and take her easy. We're in 63. We're out of here.